Hello everyone, welcome back to Green Bay Classics YouTube. Jordan here. Just installed the new dual feed gas line for the Holley Carb. So hopefully there's no leaks. The one that I got from O'Reilly's leaked pretty badly. It just didn't feel right whatsoever. This one here from AutoZone, it's a Spectre, good looking one. You'll see here shortly, fits so much better. I think it's gonna work good. So I'll show you right now. Please remember to subscribe, like, share with all your friends, that bell notification lets you know when I post. Have a great day. I had a fuel line that I purchased from O'Reilly's, just off the shelf, not very special, not the most expensive, and it would not work with the brand new Holley Carb. So I returned that one and I went on the search, looked like 5 different stores in Appleton, could not find a dual feed carb line, fuel line. And so then call around, and turns out that AutoZone in Green Bay actually had one. So went and got that, and it works so much better than that Mr. Gasket version. But there is still a very small, slight fuel line or a fuel leak right where the fuel pressure gauge is, and I did read reviews of that having some leaks, and just a better fuel pressure gauge will solve that. So I'm hopeful that will work. But I'm really excited to show you the fire of the new carb. So stay tuned. Wait and see how this baby sounds. I'm really excited to show you. A little bit of work on the Corvette as well, draining the transmission fluid. Gonna put in some fresh fluid for that baby for the race season coming up next week. So here we are with the vet. We just drained all the transmission fluid right over there, out of the top. These early 700 R4s, like in the 1984 Corvettes, do not have a transmission drain plug. So rather than drop that seal and do anything with this really old, like probably barely hanging on transmission, I pulled the old fluid out of the top, or the majority of the old fluid out of the top, and then just replaced it with this automatic transmission fluid for older model Ford and GM vehicles. So that's what we got going on with the vet. She's all set. I'll let her warm up a little bit and then check levels.